Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a fun one. We're gonna do some DIY masks, and I have 3 different masks to show you guys. I've been kind of testing them out for the past month or so, just making sure that I like them because I like to test things out obviously before I share them with you guys to make sure that it actually works. And I've definitely noticed a huge difference in my skin. You guys know I like to keep things nice and natural, so these are all natural masks, and a lot of the ingredients are things that you have around your house, and if you don't have it around your house, then it's something that you should have around your house. So if you guys want to see these 3 DIY masks, then please keep watching. Alright guys, let's get started with the Detox Mask. This is going to pull all of our impurities out and make your skin look flawless. Starting off, we're going to use about 4 pumps of organic aloe vera gel. This one is by 7 Minerals. A lot of times detox masks can be very drying to the skin, so we want to make sure that we hydrate as well as detox. Moving along, I'm using about 1 capsule of activated charcoal, and this will be the ingredient to pull all of our blemishes out of our face. And lastly, we're going to add some honey. Honey is just a natural healer. It helps reduce redness and fight infection on the face, aka pimples. So I'm going to mix all of this together, and it makes a really just beautiful, luxurious looking black face mask. And this face mask, I'm not even kidding, I'm not even just trying to sell this face mask. It really does make my skin glow after I use it. I don't know, I think this is probably my favorite one out of all of the face masks. So I was actually inspired to create this video because I've been obsessed with aloe vera gel for about a month now. I've been using it for everything. I've been using it to hydrate my skin. My boyfriend's been using it as an aftershave. It's just such an amazing natural resource, and I just thought there'd be a lot of cool face masks that I could create using aloe vera. The brand that I'm using today is actually the closest thing that you can get to the actual aloe vera plant. If you were to like cut open the plant, scoop out the gel, and bottle it up, this is the closest thing on the market. You actually have to refrigerate it after you open it. You're going to want to leave this face mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then remove it with a warm washcloth. Alright, moving on to my favorite hydrating mask. First things first, we're going to add some aloe vera. This is, obviously to hydrate the skin, and it's going to help make the mask feel extra soothing. Next up, we're going to add about half a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil has tons of vitamins and proteins and really hydrating properties for your skin. And lastly, we're going to add a scoop of avocado. Now, avocado is rich in fatty acids. It's great for moisturizing the skin. It's also going to give us a little kick of vitamin E. With this mask, you kind of have to squish it up and mash it all together, and once you've mixed it all together, it kind of looks like guacamole, but probably doesn't taste that great. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I like to stipple this on because I find that it's easier to apply it this way. I like to have a nice thick coating of this on my face. What I like about this mask is that it leaves my skin feeling hydrated and not oily. A lot of hydrating masks make my skin feel just kind of slippery and just gross after I use them. And what I like about it also is that I know all the ingredients that are inside of it. I am all for natural products. And lastly, we have a brightening mask. This mask is going to make your skin glow. The first ingredient is going to be a squeeze of lemon. Lemon is rich in citric acid and vitamin C. Now, it's said that if you use lemon over a long period of time, it brightens up your skin and kind of lightens up those dark age spots. We're of course going to use some aloe vera for a soothing factor in this mask, which we'll get to in a little bit. This mask is a little intense. Next up, we're going to add a few shakes of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural antibacterial. It also helps bring the blood to the surface, which will create a beautiful glow. And lastly, we're going to add some honey. This also brings blood to the surface. This is going to help that glow factor. Not gonna lie guys, this mask is kind of intense. It should give you a healthy tingle, but if it starts to freaking burn, you should remove it immediately. Some people's skin is just more sensitive than others. Some people can handle it, some people can't. I personally like it. It does give me a tingle, and it's a little hot on the face. But once I remove it, I swear to you, my skin has never been softer. I just can't stop touching it. Now keep in mind, your face will be pretty red after you remove the mask. That's because there's so many properties in this mask pulling the blood to the surface of your skin. Give it about 10-15 minutes and you'll be good to go. Don't worry about it. You didn't have a crazy reaction. That's just the nature of the beast. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up and I will create more for you. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. I really appreciate it. Also, hit that little bell notification button and that will notify you every time that I post a new video so you don't miss one. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you guys next time.